In this guide, I'll show you how to connect your Apple TV 4K, second or third generation to your Insignia Fire TV and set it up for the first time. So let's get started. First, we'll connect the power cord and the HDMI cable to our Apple TV. Then plug in the HDMI cable to your TV's HDMI in port. And then we will connect it to power. You may see a pop-up to switch to your Apple TV right away, but if it doesn't pop up, you can go to Inputs and then go down to your Apple TV. Let me go ahead and show you how you can rename it. So while it's highlighted, press the menu button and from the right, select Change Device Name. Now from the list, we'll search for Apple TV and press Select. And one last thing before we begin. If you want to use your Insignia Fire TV remote to set up your Apple TV, then you need to make sure that remote control pass-through is enabled in the settings. So let's head to Settings, then Display and Sound, go all the way down to HDMI-CEC device control, and from here we'll turn on remote control pass-through. Also, make sure that power control is turned on so that you can turn on and off your Apple TV using your Insignia Fire remote. And now we can go ahead and start setting up our Apple TV. So let's switch to Apple TV. Let's choose our language and location. Then press continue and we'll choose to set up manually using your TV. Choose whether you want to use Siri or not and if you want to share your audio recordings. Then we'll go ahead and connect to our Wi-Fi network. Now we'll log into our Apple ID. Put in your Apple ID verification code that will be sent to one of your Apple devices. Now go through these steps according to your preference, then agree to the TNC. If you have any TV provider, you can sign in from here and choose if you want to sync the home screen between each of your Apple TV. Choose your room and set a time zone. Now choose whether you want to download the screensaver, and just like that, our Apple TV setup is complete. And to switch between your Insignia Fire TV and Apple TV, you can just choose the home button to exit out of your Apple TV. And if you want to go back, you can select the input from here, or just say switch to Apple TV. And Alexa will do it for you. Now you can sit back and enjoy all the awesomeness of your Apple TV. If you found this useful, make sure to let us know and I'll see you around.